Children, today you will study lesson number 8 from your English grammar book. The name of the chapter is adverbs. So, class 8, we shall now continue with the lesson. Now, first thing you must know in adverb is the definition of the adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb describes a verb, means add plus verb. Adverb is consisting of two words, add and verb. So it adds something to the meaning of a verb. So it is called a adverb. For example, you can say, please write neatly. So write is a verb. Write is a verb. Because it is something action done. And neatly, how you should write? Neatly. So it is a neatly is a adverb. Okay. Now, but we cannot definitely say that adverb are those words which add something to the meaning of a verb. Adverb can also be used to add to the meaning of an adjective or another adverb. So your definition is not confined to verb only. You have to add two words, adjective and another adverb, to the meaning of to the definition of adverb. So adverbs are those words which add to the meaning of a verb, or it can be an adjective or another adverb. For example, he drove too fast. So fast, drove is the verb. Drove is the verb. And fast is the adverb. But too fast means now adding something to the meaning of adverb is also a adverb. So too is a adverb. So now coming to the types of adverbs. You got the definition of adverb. That adverb are those words which are used to add to the meaning of a verb, or it can be an adjective or another adverb. So now coming to the types of adverbs. There are several kinds of adverbs. They are adverb of manner, time, place, frequency, degree and interrogative adverb. You can see in the chart here, adverb of manner tells us how. For example, quickly, neatly, carefully, well. Adverb of place tells us where. For example, here, there, outside, upstairs. So it's a adverb of place. Now adverb of time tells us when, means now, then, today, yesterday, soon. Now adverb of frequency means how often. Sometimes, often, always, ever, usually. Now adverb of degree. How much, quite, almost, very, rather, fairly, completely. So now I'll be defining you these adverb of manner one by one. First is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner show how something happens. For example, he spends his money carefully. So spending is the verb. It's now defining carefully. It carefully is the adverb. So adverb of manner show how something happens. So how he is spending the money? Carefully. I solve the puzzle easily. So solved is a verb. But the word defining the solved means adding something to the meaning of the solved is easily. So easily is the adverb manner. Means it's telling how the puzzle is solved easily. How a particular thing happens. It's a adverb manner. We form most adverb manner by adding ly. Sometimes there are changes in spellings. Careful, carefully. Double C. Careful, ly is added. Easy, now y is removed, ily is added. Neat, neatly ly added. Happy, if y is in the last, then y removed and ily is added. If the adjective ends in ic, then a double ly is added. For example, public, publicly. publicly, not a double ly. As here it's a exception. Public is a exception. My football coach taught me basic rules of the game on the first day. So basic is being changed to basically, a double ly, what I told here. Now adverb of time. Adverb of time say when something happens. She phoned me yesterday. You should do it now. So today, tomorrow, then, early, late, before are all adverb of time because they are telling about the time when something happens. Now adverb of place. Adverb of place say where something happens. You can sit here. The accident happened there. So here, there, everywhere, anywhere, in, out, inside, outside, upstairs, downstairs, above, below. These are all adverb of place. Some adverb of time and place can also be used as adjective or preposition. For example, above. Look above. Here adverb. Here look at the above sentence. It's now here above is defining sentence, so adjective. Here it is defining the verb look, so it is adverb. Now my bedroom is above the kitchen, so above is showing position, so it is a preposition. Now adverb frequency. Adverb frequency say how often something happens. I often use the internet. She is sometimes late for school, so sometime. He rarely goes to the cinema. So always, usually, hardly, never, ever are adverb of frequency. Now adverb of degree. Adverb of degree answer the question how much or to what extent. The mangoes are very sweet. She writes quite neatly. Tom works really well. He behaved rather rudely. So, to, almost, nearly, completely, so, wholly, fully, extremely, partially, somewhat, fairly, so, slightly are adverb of degree. Because it is telling about, it is answering the question how much or to what extent. Now, interrogative adverb ask question about the verb. When are you going to Delhi? So going is the verb. When is asking a question. Where have you put the verb books? So where is again asking the question about the verb put. How? Why? How can you do that? Why didn't you go to the party? So why is a interrogative adverb. So this was a topic about the adverb. In the next video, we'll continue with the chapter adverb. So please, if you like the video, you please like, share, subscribe the video. Thank you.